Hello everyone, and it's so good to see you tonight. Welcome to Blips with Becky Boobs. I'm very excited to be having a chat with you all because we're going to be talking about the Greenland. Now, it's a little bit exciting for me because I feel like I've discovered this whole new place, and it might in fact be something that you already know about. But when I first thought about the Greenland, I actually thought New Zealand. I thought lawn, I thought meadow banks, I thought, a flurry of waterfalls and things. Hence, how wrong could I be? I've actually found out by looking it up on Google that it is in fact a country. Not only that, it's the largest island that in fact isn't a continent. And I just was amazed that there was this whole other place that I had no idea about. A couple of confusions. One, the Greenland, it has nothing to do at all with being green. It is in fact almost the whole of it covered in ice. It has a massive ice cap on it. And I don't know why we have a Greenland that's covered in ice and then we have an Iceland that's all green. Little bit interesting, that one. It was confusing, but I'm okay with that. Another thing that I found really interesting about this is that it's up by the Arctic. Now, the Arctic, I've since learned that it's not short for Antarctic, and the Antarctic is in fact not short for Antarctica. I've learned also that we have a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere. So the Antarctic or Antarctica is down the bottom, which if you're a New Zealander like I am, we're down in the southern hemisphere. And this new place, Greenland, that I've recently discovered is in fact in the northern hemisphere. So hey, I'm now on the planet and with you all today. I now know where Greenland is. Yay, hooray. But there's a couple of things that I found really cool about this place. Because of it's all covered in ice, there are several international sports that they host. They do dog sledding, they do mountaineer climbing, and they're really competitive in these sports. Because of all the waterways and things that they have too, they're very competitive in kayaking. So you can either be cruising or canoodling with your loved one, or I don't know, maybe doing their winter sport comps that they hold. Another thing that I found out is that global warming, this is where it all happens. Apparently, because we've thrashed and we've trashed, the earth to a certain degree. Mother Nature is now saying, hold on child, that's too much to handle. So everything's just heating up too much. It's now melting the the top of the ice, which then creates all these lakes. And then they start, melting and tunneling and funneling down toward the base of, I guess, Greenland, the icy bit. So consequently then, that there is starting to shift, which is going to be a massive problem if it ends up, further into the ocean. I don't know where we're going to be, but I hope it's not going to be underwater because I don't do water well. There are loads of other things, that I could tell you about Greenland, but I need to do some more research on it myself. If you want to know more about it, Google it, the Greenland, or just Greenland itself. Thanks a lot. Good to see you.